I'm Chuck with Unicorp, and today I want to talk about what we're doing on Longboat Key and have everybody understand what Unicorp really is. Unicorp is a name, but it's really backed by the passion of me and the great team that I've put together, and we love doing beautiful projects that are part of the community. They become an anchor of the community. And the Longboat Key Resort is going to be flagged by one of the #1 hotels in the entire world. And it's going to be more than just a resort. It's going to be a place where the community gathers and where people live. And the best thing about living in Longboat Key at our resort that we're developing is that you'll get to enjoy all the amenities of a hotel while you live there. You can wake up in the morning and have breakfast in bed. You can be on the beach and book a massage. You can spend the afternoon tooling around in the lazy river. It's going to be an experience that's really not offered anywhere on the west coast of Florida. The residential homes here are going to be unlike anything else in the area. Not only are they going to be at the resort, in which I've described, which is going to be a great place, but they're going to have all the modern amenities. They're going to have floor-to-ceiling glass. There's going to be home theaters. The units are going to start off in the $2.5 to $3 million range, but many of them will go up to $10 million because it's going to be such an exceptional experience. They're all going to have water views, and the best thing we have here is not only a white sand beach with emerald green water, we also have the sunset 7 days a week that's unlike anything else in the area.